We're ready to serve you online, wherever and whenever you need us. All your favorite products are available for delivery to your home or office, anywhere in Thailand. Easy and convenient to shop for your groceries anytime. Browse all of our categories or search for the items you need from our range of more than 10,000 items. Your one-stop supermarket is in the palm of your hands. Create your own favorites so that you quickly locate them when you need them. Be inspired by our recipes section, which makes it easy for you to order all the ingredients required for any of the dishes you choose. Click at cart to go to payment. You'll see your order summary. If you have a coupon code, apply it here before confirmation and payment. Choose your delivery time and payment method. Same day and express delivery is available in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin and Udon, Thani. For up-country, our nationwide service will get your goods to you in fresh condition within 2 to 3 days. We have lots of payment options for you to choose from through our secure payment gateway. Leave us notes. Let us know any requests you may have. Our personal shoppers will choose the freshest and best quality fresh produces on your behalf. Our personal shoppers are also available to chat with you anytime. Simply click on the chat button at the bottom of each page. A confirmation will be sent to you by email. We will take care of the rest. Easy reordering. See all of the products you have bought from us previously to reorder when you need them. In your history items, discover a world of foods at Villa Market, and let us take care of it.